You think you have leaky gut? Then this supplement is a must. Allow me to explain. So the supplement I'm referring to is called butyric acid. So here it is, Butyrate. This brand is by BodyBio. I personally use this brand and I like this brand. Look inside, there's the capsules. So why is this product so important if you think you have leaky gut? I'm gonna go over 4 properties that this will bring to your gut and to your healing. The number 1 reason is it's the number 1 fuel source for your gut cells. It needs butyrate for food. Number 2, it's an anti-inflammatory property, specifically in your gut. What this does in your gut is it down-regulates your immune system if your immune system is in a flare in your gut. Number 3 is it helps regulate the tight junctions. Between each cell, the cells are basically glued together with cement. So what butyrate does, it actually will patch the cement so the 2 cells don't have any leakage between the cell, which is called leaky gut. And the 4th thing is it actually helps your gut to move. It actually helps motility. So if you have constipation, you should be making 2 to 3 bowel movements every single day. So if you have slow bowels, this will help regulate your bowels to be 2 to 3 times every single day. If you like this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.